for taking attendances online, UCAM have got their own system using QR code. It is myucam.ucam.my/sign QR in. Okay, you just log in. Okay, once you are here, you can create your own activity. Demonstrasi tempat Zoom, date is today. Okay, so once done, I'm just going to save this. Okay, once this thing has been activated, if it is already available, you get extra view here. They have this Papa QR. So we click the Papa QR, then the students can log in. How we are going to log in using My UCAM application. Okay, so the only thing the person needs is to have the My UCAM app on their handphone. Okay, so what is the My UCAM app? It looks like this. So this is the My UCAM app. It looks like this. So what do? I click on Smart Attendance. So you can see there, we have two buttons there, the green and the blue. Press on the green. Zoom out. Okay. As you can see, I have successfully logged in. Okay, so this is OBS Studio. So right now we're going to create a new screen. So this one screen, we're going to give the name QR code. Okay. So we have a new screen here. So now we're going to create the video feed. So the video feed is coming from what you call the window capture. So what do you want to capture? You want to capture from the window. Okay, so we're going to add one of the existing ones here. Click window capture. Okay, so you can see here, this window capture, they already captured the screen from the smart attendance. Okay, it is not enough. Not only you want to have the screen being captured, you also want your video to come out of yourself. So you have to get this thing to become smaller. So how do you get to become smaller? You press alternate. Okay, make sure this thing is highlighted. Press alternate, don't let go. Drag until you get to the border of the QR code. Drag until you get to the border of the QR code. Okay, same thing here. Drag until you get to the border of the QR code. Okay, so this is the QR code. Only the QR code. You can have it big like that. The other thing is you want to have is your video. And your video will be coming in from your webcam. So we're going to add in the webcam. So the webcam is going to come from your webcam. Click OK. Okay, so the webcam is supposed to come out here. Okay, that's my webcam. I look horrible. Okay, let's not worry about that. Okay, so your webcam you can adjust. Okay, again, same like before. You press alternate, adjust to get only the part that you want to share. Okay, of course I look horrible here right now. Okay. 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 So I'm going to get this to fit. Okay, so now we have these two things side by side. I have my video, and I also have, to make sure that your QR code is always in a displayed fully, so you can just do like that. So that although your picture is adjusted like that, okay, you can still see the transition. Okay, so how do you know that this thing works? So for this thing to work, okay, we'll have to make sure that your QR code is always updated. Please take note, this one keep changing every 5 seconds. And the problem is this thing only update itself whenever the page is active. Okay, so let's go and open up Microsoft Teams. Okay, so under Microsoft Teams, I'm going to open up my test OBS camera. Okay, so this is my test website. Okay, I'm going to set a meet. So this is my meet. Join now. Okay, so I'm going to put the name there, QR code. This is your team session. So during your team session, you want to share your video feed, you want to put in the QR code. Okay, the webcam, instead of using the webcam, if you use the webcam, you just get a picture of yourself. We don't want that. We want to see the QR code. So to see the QR code, you go back to your OBS Studio, you click Start Virtual Camera. Click Start Virtual Camera. So when you click Start Virtual Camera, alternate tab, you can see here, when you click on the camera, you change to OBS Virtual Camera, and then you click Enable. So not only you are seeing your video of yourself, you are also seeing the QR code. Okay, so that is how we get to display our attendance QR code for the students to sign in, and also your video of yourself when you're giving the lecture. So right now you're not seeing this properly, you're seeing this inverted because the camera automatically mirror your video feed. So here I'm looking at the left side, here I'm looking at the right side. Okay, and with that, thank you very much.